What if I told you there's a simple, fast, completely free technique proven in clinical studies to reduce neuropathy pain by as much as 40%? And most people have never tried it. And here's the surprising part. Those improvements came from stimulating a nerve that's not even in the hands and feet. Most people have heard of the vagus nerve, but almost nobody understands the new 2025 science behind how it controls nerve pain, or why the right vagus nerve exercises work dramatically better than the generic advice flooding YouTube. Today, we're going to learn the newest research on the inflammation microbiome vagus loop, plus several upgraded vagus nerve exercises most neuropathy patients have never seen online. Stick around, because what you're about to discover may completely change the way you control your neuropathy symptoms. Welcome back, health warriors. Dr. C here. If you're living with unrelenting symptoms of peripheral neuropathy, the numbness that steals your confidence, the burning feet that keeps you pacing at night, the pins and needles that make every step or task harder than it should be, or the symptoms have simply been getting worse over time, affecting your sleep, your energy, and your movement, perhaps even your joy, today's video will be a turning point for you. Neuropathy doesn't just affect your nerves, it affects your life. And the breakthrough we're about to explore may finally help you take control back. Research discovered a breakthrough called the inflammation microbiome vagus reflex loop. Here's the simple version. When your peripheral nerves are damaged, they send inflammation signals upward through the vagus nerve. Your brain reads those signals as danger, and it triggers the stress response, a surge in cortisol, adrenaline, and that wired, tight feeling your body gets when you're stuck in that stress mode. That stress response then disrupts your gut microbiome, and that gut disruption sends more inflammation right back to your nerves. That's the loop. And it's the same reason why neuropathy flare-ups happen even when nothing new has happened. Here's the good news. A 2024 meta-analysis in Pain and Therapy and a 2024 review in the neuroimmunomodulation found that targeted vagus nerve stimulation can reduce TNF, that's tumor necrosis factor, by as much as 41%. It can lower inflammation cytokines like interleukin-6 and MCP1. It's also been shown to increase parasympathetic activity within minutes and boost acetylcholine to calm overfiring nerves. This is why pain often drops anywhere from 32 to 40% in vagus nerve stimulation studies. And the best part, you don't need a medical device. You can stimulate the vagus nerve manually for free with targeted vagus nerve exercises. When inflammation drops and the nervous system calms, the body finally gets room to repair. Now, let's get to the exciting part you've been waiting for. The 5 most powerful vagus nerve exercises of 2025. Exercise number 1, diaphragmatic breathing. A 2023 Frontiers in Physiology study showed a 22% increase in vagal tone in just 5 minutes with this exercise. Okay, here's how you get started. Okay, set your timer for 5 minutes and use this rhythm I'm going to describe.
Inhale deeply through the nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale with a gentle hum for 6 seconds. Repeat. Inhale deeply for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale with a gentle hum for 6 seconds.
The hum increases nitric oxide, improves blood flow, calms peripheral nerve firing, and deepens vagal activation. This is one of the simplest neuropathy pain relief exercises you can do, and it works fast. All right, exercise number 2, the cold face reset. Cold water across the face activates an ancient dive-in reflex, one of the most reliable ways to stimulate the vagus nerve. The moment cold touches your cheeks or your forehead, your brain signals through the vagus nerve, slow down, conserve, calm. This lowers your heart rate, increases parasympathetic activity, and helps pull you out of that wired, stress, overfired state your nerves get stuck into. Here's how you do it. Fill a bowl with cold water and ice. Hold your breath and gently submerge your face for 15 to 20 seconds. Then rest for 30 to 60 seconds and repeat 2 to 3 times if it feels good. A 2024 HRV meta-analysis confirmed cold facial immersion significantly boosts vagal activity. Now, here's an optional upgrade to this process, and it's called the cold and calm reset during your rest cycle. Basically, what you're going to do is during your rest stage, you're going to inhale from a tissue with 1 to 2 drops of lavender. Now, here's something interesting. A 2025 study showed that pairing cold stimulation with lavender inhalation created a stronger vagal balance than just cold alone. Now, little safety side note for you. Never actually add the oil to the water as it may irritate your eyes. Okay, moving on to exercise number 3. It's the vocal resonance reset using either a humming or an Om chanted. This is one of the most powerful tools that we use to activate the vagus nerve. So humming or chanting creates a deep vibration through your throat, your chest, and your face, and those vibrations stimulate the vagal pathways. A 2022 study on humming showed it actually boosts nitric oxide, it can increase blood flow to damaged nerves, lowers cortisol, and research on the Om chanting found it increases parasympathetic activity, the same common pattern seen in clinical vagus stimulation.
Inhale slowly through the nose. Exhale with a long Feel the vibration through your throat and face. Release all the air. And repeat. Inhale through the nose deeply and slowly. Exhale with a long Let the vibration resonate in your face and in your throat. Release all the air. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale, chanting Om. Let the M sound vibrate your skull. Release all the air. Repeat again. Inhale deeply and slowly. Exhale, chanting Om. Feel the vibration of the M as it resonates through your face. Release all the air out.
If you've only tried the quick humming before, this deeper resonant technique creates a stronger vagal activation. Okay, moving on to exercise number 4, the gut vagus reset. This is something almost nobody talks about, yet the science is exploding. Your vagus nerve isn't just a nerve, it's the communication line between your gut and your brain. And the gut health directly affects your vagus nerve strength. The vagus nerve has hundreds of thousands of sensory nerve fibers sending signals from your gut up to your brain. When your gut is inflamed, neuropathy symptoms worsen. A 2023 Frontiers in Neurology study showed that improving gut microbiome diversity in diabetic neuropathy patients reduced systemic inflammation and lowered neuropathic pain by 20 to 28%. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Eat 1 to 2 tablespoons of fermented foods such as sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, unsweetened yogurt, or fermented coconut yogurt. Step 2, immediately follow with 10 slow belly breaths. Here's how you do it.
Inhale deeply through the nose for 4 seconds. Exhale for 6 seconds. Pause gently for 1 second at the bottom. Inhale for 4 seconds. Exhale for 6 seconds. Pause gently for 1 second at the bottom.
This activates the vagus nerve from 2 directions at the same time. The gut and the diaphragm creating deeper relief. Do this once daily. Now, evenings work best for overnight regeneration. So here's what I want you to remember. You are not powerless in your healing. Your nervous system is far more adaptable than most people are ever told. Every one of these vagus nerve exercises is a tool that helps you reclaim control over your body. One breath, one vibration, one moment of calm at a time. And when you use these consistently, you're not just managing symptoms, you're retraining your nervous system to move out of pain and into healing. Whether you're just starting your neuropathy journey or you've been fighting this battle for years, you're not stuck and you're not alone. Your body can change, your nerves can improve. Trust me when I tell you. Your pain can decrease and your life can feel like yours again. If this video brought you clarity, hope, or direction, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for weekly nerve repair strategies and share it with someone who may be struggling in silence. Together, we can help people all over the world break free from neuropathy and start living fully again. I'm Dr. C, and I look forward to seeing you on the road to great nerve health. Once daily, evenings work best for overnight regeneration.
You did good all the way up until this part.
Yeah. It's showtime. He's there for showtime.